You ever walk into a grocery store, grab like 5 things, and somehow your total hits $80? And you just stand there like, wait, what the hell did I even buy? Yeah, you're not tripping. Everything actually is getting more expensive. But here's the crazy part. It's not just inflation. It's something deeper, something most people don't even realize is happening. Let me paint you a picture. Meet Jake. Jake makes around $75K a year. Decent job, nothing crazy, but he's doing all right. A couple years ago, Jake was chillin', paying rent, going out on weekends, saving a little here and there. Life felt manageable. But now, same guy, same job, almost the same salary, and somehow he's struggling. He's checking his bank account before buying groceries. He's thinking twice before going out with friends. And saving money? Yeah, that's basically a joke now. So what changed? First, prices didn't just go up, they stayed up. See, when inflation hit, everything got more expensive. Gas, food, rent, all of it. But here's the thing nobody talks about. Prices go up fast, but they rarely come back down. So even when the news says inflation is cooling, your wallet doesn't feel it because you're still paying those higher prices every single day. Second, your salary didn't keep up. Yeah, maybe you got a raise, 3%, maybe 5%. Sounds nice, right? But inflation jumped way higher. So in reality, you're making more money on paper, but less money in real life. It's like getting a bigger bucket, but someone poked holes in the bottom. Now here's where it gets sneaky. Shrinkflation. Yeah, that's a real thing. Your favorite snacks? Same price, but smaller size. That bag of chips? Less chips. That cereal box? Half empty. That drink? Feels like 2 sips and it's gone. Companies don't always raise prices directly, they just give you less for the same money. Low-key genius, but also kinda messed up. Then there's lifestyle creep. Subscriptions, streaming, food delivery, random apps, convenience fees. It's all just $10, just $15. But stack that up and you're bleeding money every month. And the wild part, you don't even feel it happening. It's like death by 1,000 subscriptions. Now let's be real for a second. We're also spending more because life feels harder. People are stressed, burnt out, just trying to get through the week. So what do? We order food instead of cooking. We shop to feel better. We book that trip because we deserve it. And honestly, you do deserve it. But the system knows that. It feeds off that emotion. Treat yourself. You earned it. Don't think, just buy. And just like that, your money disappears. Here's the part nobody wants to hear. You're not broke because you're bad with money. You're broke because the game got harder. Everything is designed to make you spend faster and think slower. Ads, social media, one-click payments, buy now, pay later. It's never been easier to spend money and never harder to keep it. But here's the shift. The people who are winning right now, they're not necessarily making way more money. They just play the game differently. They question every expense. They delay gratification. They invest before they spend. While everyone else is upgrading their lifestyle, they're upgrading their system. Because real talk, looking rich is easy. Nice car, new phone, branded clothes. But actually being rich, that's quiet. It's discipline. It's boring decisions. It's saying, nah, I'm good when everyone else is spending. So next time you feel like everything is expensive, don't just blame yourself. Understand what's really going on. But also ask yourself, am I playing this game or is the game playing me? Because at the end of the day, it's not just about how much things cost, it's about how much control you have over your money. So next time you get paid, don't think, what can I buy? Think, what can I keep? What can I grow? What can I protect? Because yeah, everything is expensive right now, but your future, that's going to be even more expensive if you don't start playing smarter today. And if this made you think a little differently, you already know what to do. Hit subscribe and start playing the money game smarter.